Hey guys, so this video is gonna be me trying to recreate my friend, shout out to Nicole from work. She did this beautiful eye makeup look and she looked like a beautiful peacock. I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna try to recreate it. I'm just gonna zoom you guys in and then wish me luck. Oh, I feel like Michelle Phan. Whatever happened to her? I'm just going in with the white base. This happens to be from NYX. Just gonna put a little bit on my lids. This way the shadow has something to stick onto and it'll make the colors pop. With the fluffy brush, I'm going in with this brown matte shade and then I'm going to put that in my crease as a transition color. With the BH Cosmetics Pump Art palette, I went in with that purple shade in the corner with the glitter on the bottom. I used my finger first to apply it. I also went in with this little flat brush to be more precise. Try to focus that on the center of my lids. I'm trying to blend the purple into the blue. So this is from Physicians Formula, but I'm going in with the lightest shade and I'm applying that into the inner corners. I'll put on the bottom lash line. I'm actually going to go on the inner tear duct with some of that white from this palette. Then I'm just going to go on with the black pencil eyeliner. Just patting on some black eyeshadow to the liner. Just got to curl your lashes and then apply mascara and then you're done. If you hear that noise, I'm sorry about that. These lenses are from PinkyParadise. Oh, what do you know? Now these are their new Elamis series. I don't know if I'm saying that right. So these were sent to me, so I'm just gonna read what this is. Honest review. Now these are their premium soft contact lenses. They were co-developed by Geo Medical, supposedly one of the most famous lens manufacturer of Korea. Hello. These are very nice. I like them. These lenses are prescribed. I'm so thankful because I can't see snap. You could get them non-prescribed, of course. And yeah, I think the contacts I was wearing throughout the video was Miss Trendsetter Azul Blue. I believe these contacts right here is Boss Bay and it's color Crystal Gray, which I'm living for. So I'm looking on their site right now and these lenses go for $14.90 and you'll get one pair and that is before shipping. So I don't know how much shipping is, but you do get free shipping worldwide on orders $49 or more. Loving these lenses. Thank you so much to PinkyParadise for sending me these lenses. If you guys like that video, please give it a thumbs up and ring my bell. Bye.